In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to validate a digital signature in Adobe Acrobat Reader. We'll break down the process step by step to ensure you can do this with ease and confidence. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the signed PDF document in either Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader, depending on which one you have installed. Once you've launched the application and have your document ready, we'll proceed to the part where we check for signatures. Now, let's focus on locating the Signatures pane or panel, which is your gateway to verifying digital signatures. Usually, you'll find this Signatures option situated on the right side of your screen. However, if you don't see it there, don't worry. There's an alternate route you can take. Simply navigate to the top menu and select View. From there, choose Show Hide, then head over to Navigation Panes, where you'll find Signatures. Clicking on this will open the panel you're looking for. With the Signatures panel now visible, the next thing you want to do is move your attention to the Options menu. It's straightforward from here. You'll click on Options, which reveals a drop-down menu. Look for the Validate Signatures option in this drop-down and give it a click. Once you've clicked Validate Signatures, a dialog box should appear. This is the Signature Validation Status dialog. This dialog box plays a crucial role in providing you with information about the status of the digital signature. It will clearly indicate whether the signature is indeed valid or possibly invalid. Sometimes, you might encounter notification alerts that suggest there are issues with the signature. These could include an unknown certificate, an expired timestamp, or other warnings that might need your attention. Understanding the information in the Signature Validation Status dialog is vital, especially if you're dealing with sensitive or important documents. A valid signature reassures you that the document has not been altered after signing and that the signer is authentic. However, if the status shows invalid or has issues, you'll want to investigate further. This could mean reaching out to the document sender for clarification or checking details specific to the signature. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to confidently validate digital signatures in any PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Reader. Remember, being proficient with these tools not only improves your digital efficiency, but also ensures you're maintaining the integrity of important documents. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice these steps until you're comfortable with the process.